What's the deal, family? Welcome back to the Realist Reaction channel on YouTube. It's your boy Sean. We're here with another banger for y'all, man. So look, we got This Is Rally 1, the best scenes of rallying pure sound, man. So one of my first ever rally videos I did, it was a This Is Rally 4 video, I'm pretty sure. And it was dope, man. I was highly entertained. The video was highly entertaining. From that video, I got into Group B rally, some other different types of rally videos, and y'all really, it expanded. It was the start of expanding my knowledge about racing around the world. And this one popped up on my home feed, and I was like, you know what? I never reacted to the original This Is Rally. This is Rally 1, the first one that started off like 45 of them things. I don't know how many they got. I know they got a lot of them though. So I decided, you know what? Let's do it, man. Let's do it. This is Rally 1. People have asked for this in the past, to go back to the first one. So we here now, checking it out. If you want to see more videos, you already know what to do, man. Let me know in the comments. Hit that like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. Really hit those comments though. That's where That's where I find all the videos I'm gonna do in the future, and kind of line them up from there. That's pretty much it, man. Let's get straight into this video. See what they talking about, man. This is Rally 1, the best scenes of rally. Man, that boy was drifting. Hello. I thought it was gonna be like a little jump, like a little jump, all fun and games, nothing crazy, a little wobble or nothing. That went all the way left. That went all the way. Y'all saw it. I was thought it was gonna be all fun and games, and then it got very real. Yo.
Täällä Lahden Historic-rallissakin nähtiin
What are y'all doing? Why are y'all blocking the track and they're running away in fear? This gotta be Group B. This is Group B right here. This gotta be Group B. This gotta be Group B right here. Come on. Like, what did you expect? He said I need a lift. I need a lift, man. Come on. I need a tow. Thought you was, come on, man. I need a tow.
Unbelievable. Look at it. Yeah. Into long 6 right. Now this is crazy. 30k long 3 right minus 6 left. Look at 300.
Oh, where you going?
I can't even see the finish board. I should never have been allowed to run.
Group B is crazy. Group B was crazy. Now that I've like learned about rally, I can go back and look and know which if I'm looking at Group B or if I'm looking at regular rally. You feel me? Group B wildin', bro. They just be all up on the track. There ain't even no tracks in rally in general. No tarmacs or nothing, bro. You just really there. You really out there in the wild. just smashing, bro. Drifting, smashing, just all-wheel drive, rear-wheel drive. I don't even know how they make them anymore, but damn. Bro, he almost got Final Destination in real life. Oh my. He almost got the Final Destination treatment in real life.
O kurwa. Żyjemy.
That's wild,
Ja
man.
pierdolę. Auto całe.
Nice. I see it.
Absolute right.
In the snow, though?
Unseen easy right. 50, easy left. 50 grid, 100 road. Dear God.
That car looks kind of sick. I can't cap. That car looks kind of sick, though. Little NASCAR. Bro, get your shit right. Get it right. Get it right. Hey, make sure you always drive safe. You know what I'm saying? Drive safe. Only drive if you are professional. Do not copy this or try any of this at home or in your city or in your state, in your country, in your continent, in your world. Unless you are a professional. In a professionally sanctioned race. Again, do not try this at home. And please do not age restrict me, YouTube. Do not try this at home if you are not of age or in a professional environment as a professional who knows what you're doing.
¡Ay, mierda! ¡Ya! ¡Mi camioneta!
What happened? His shit just popped off. That's wild. What? He was sliding too hard or something? Like, his whole axle just...
Dana grande callo 100.
Oh, what you doing? What you doing, bro? His brakes go out, or he hit the black ice or something. He just started skidding. Oh hell no! Hell no! Boy, ain't no way, boy. Boy, ain't no way, boy. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Oh, it's already enough shit going on, man. Now you got the mud flowing through the shit, bro. Like, come on, man.
Bueno, espectacular este es
This shit is
Alexander
crazy.
Saluk.
I thought 4 was crazy. Number 1 crazy. That thing sound good. Why is there a tractor at a race going the wrong way? There ain't no reason for that. There ain't no boy, ain't no way, boy. Oh hell no. Okay, I see you. Easy work. Oh! Drive safe, y'all. Drive safe. Bro. That shit was insane, man. I ain't even gonna lie. That was insane. I thought 4 was crazy. I thought Group B was crazy. I've done a few Group B videos. I thought that was crazy. That's the craziest rally video I've seen. By far. By far. There might be one other one, but I don't know, man. That was insane. But I hope y'all enjoyed that. This is Rally 1, the best scenes of rally in pure sound. Like I said, man, drive safe. Make sure you're in a professional environment. All that good stuff. You feel me? Of age, everything. But anyways, yeah, that stuff crazy, bro. Rally drivers easily probably the craziest drivers that I've seen. Besides street race. Street races is crazy too, but rally is fucking insane. Send me more videos, because I love reacting to this. Send me more videos, man. Put it in the comments. Hit that like and subscribe. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. Keep it real. Real is rare. Real always reach everyone. Next time. Peace.